Cisco ASA, let's
Mm.
assume if you have two zones,
Mhm.
okay, one is LAN and one is DMZ,
Okay.
which is connected to the firewall. If they want to communicate, like if you want to allow traffic from LAN to DMZ or anything,
Mhm.
at that time you have to create a NAT policy.
Mm. Correct.
Okay, so you will be creating some NAT policies for some of the IP address from
Mm.
LAN. If rest
Yeah.
of the IP want to communicate to the DMZ or anything, like if rest of the IP want to communicate to any other zone or anything, at that time also, until unless once NAT rule is created, rest of the IP also you have to create or put it in a NAT policy, or else rest of the IP traffic will not flow.
Yeah.
Only in that case, infinity NAT is used. So pre and
Mm.
post NAT, you are placing the same IP address
Yeah. Yeah.
and you are
That
doing
I got.
NATing.
Yeah.
That's it.
Just to place NAT
And
in
that technology
follow.
is not using now
Mm.
anywhere. And nobody is also using Cisco ASA, I guess.
I think networking using some of the people right now.
Then I am sending the notes of this
Mm.
Infinity NAT.
Okay.
If somebody want to refer, you can refer.
Can it be asked in an interview?
No.
Okay.
Why they will ask?
Yeah, then I mean it's probably out of uh,
No, they will not
Then
ask.
another important thing to
got it.
ask.
Important is source NAT, destination NAT. This is
Yeah.
two important thing in the NAT.
Yeah.
I
But
shared you
if not,
this. Okay.
mm.
Hope everyone received this.
Shared in WhatsApp group.
Yeah, WhatsApp group. It's done. Can we start?
Zero.
Configuration part.
Yeah.
Or else we'll do it by one.
No, I think we should start with the configuration part.
Why others are not responding? Hmm?
No,
If we are
no,
not responding because it will become chaos if everybody is there.
Okay.
So if one guy is responding, if we have any issues, definitely we'll stop and request.
Okay.
Yes.
Mm.
Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, set up the lab, I guess. Oh, this is the new thing is happening with me. Oh, Guys, I already did a configuration in this. Okay.
Mhm.
I was about to test on DNAT, but it is not completed. Guys, can anybody tell me about SourceNet if you are interested?
When source IP is netting towards it.
Yeah.
When outbound traffic, it means
When we
Guys,
want
nobody.
when we want to mask our means internet traffic that time.
No,
We do.
no. Just don't say like this. Like I'm asking you, like interview point of view. Like if he asked you like, what is SourceNet? So how will you explain?
Yes, in that means if suppose we have source as 10 and destination as 20.
Hmm.
So that time we will be netting our source IP address 10 to the public. We are mapping that 10 to the mapping to the public IP address.
Hmm.
That time only one factor we are manipulating, which is means source IP address we are communicating.
Okay. Anyone?
our LAN IP is converted into public IP with the help of suppose there are multiple type of maps.
No. Convert is a wrong word.
Source netting,
Yeah.
source netting is like when we don't want to disclose our private IP in the public domain, then we are like mapping it with the designed, that pool of the IP address. And when
No,
whenever
I'm
the
not
packet
talking about NAT. I'm
is
talking about SourceNet. Vivek.
from router to when it is passes through the router in public domain, then it is translated to another IP so that it is not visible in the public.
Guys,
If
sorry to interrupt in
traffic is
between.
going from enter to outside, inside to
Check,
outside.
wait. Sorry to interrupt in between. The thing is like, why I asked you like how you guys are answering the question, correct? So that is not uh, sufficient,
Okay,
correct, guys?
right.
So you have to prepare very thoroughly so that you could have explain at least 3-4 minutes or 5 minutes. Guys, for switches and all, we have configured the IP address. Okay. What is the first step to configure the netting?
Sir, do you want to configure NAT on router?
No, from router
Oh,
side it is
oh,
done. IP
okay.
I have configured. Okay. I'm
Okay.
talking about firewall. What is the first step if you want to configure? What is the first step?
First step to like first we have to give the interface ID, right? IP.
Interface is done. That
Okay,
is
okay,
done.
okay. Then go to the
Interface
like.
and zone is done. See, I'm showing you the interface.
Mm.
Interface, we have 3 interface configured over here as per this topology. Okay. So this is the same IP I have given
Which
here.
side is when side this topology, right?
This is the WAN side.
103.
Someone is talking over.
Yeah. So this side is WAN side. This is the topology. Okay. So this is WAN. Okay. Guys, this is internet, this is extranet, what name I have given, and this is LAN.
Okay, this is your LAN side, and
This is
106
10
WAN.
series is LAN side, 20 series is extranet, 103 series is WAN.
Okay.
Okay, and this is our management.
So we have to configure NAT on like 103 side.
Source net.
Hmm.
Tell me.
Okay. Then
Now
go to the like policy
configuration,
side.
everything interface configuration is done. IP I have given. Okay, zone is configured. Next.
Go to
Yeah.
device.
Yeah, policy.
Policy.
Policy NAT.
Come to NAT.
NAT. Click add.
I showed you the diagram, right? So in
Yeah,
source NAT, what will be your source IP? So I'll show you. Wait.
Interface.
Here from this is the source like 10.10.10 and it should ping 2020 series. Okay. So how will you configure here?
I will give the source as a like 10 series IP.
Hmm?
I will
Please
give
tell
the
me
10
the
series IP.
IP.
Yeah, 10.10.20.
Hmm.
Yeah. Dot
10.10.20.
Yeah.
Dot one dot
Then
slash
21.
1 dot slash
10.10.20 dot.
1 dot
I'll-
slash 24.
No.
Interface.
This is source, right?
Yeah.
But-
21, na?
But it should be on the interface.
So for configuring the NAT, first we'll give name and NAT type. It is IPv4. Why IPv4?
Because we are working now.
We are using IPv4 addresses.
That's
Okay. So the zone is the LAN
LAN.
zone, correct?
Yeah, correct.
And here the destination zone is
Destination will be like extranet or
Extranet.
WAN side was
okay, and the source address is
10.10.21.
this one, correct?
Yeah, correct.
So that is what we have given here. And translated packet, you will give this one dynamic IP and port. Okay.
PAT. We are using PAT, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Address type.
So this is interface address type. You can take.
And
Yeah.
we have given the interface itself.
Yeah. Tell me.
The configured IP isn't it 10.10.20.21?
No.
10.10.20.21. Yeah, correct.
Yeah, it's
This
in
is the
you have mentioned wrongly. No, in
LAN.
GUI you have mentioned 10.10.21.
Yeah, this will be now. 21 will be there.
Yeah. Sorry,
No,
I have
no,
missed this. I have missed this writing. Okay.
Here,
10.10. This IP.
10.10.21.
This is the
Yes.
IP. Okay.
20.21.
10.20.21.
Let me change. Oh shit, I can't change it now. Okay. This is 10.10.10.21. Okay.
Okay.
So that is the IP I have given here, and here you will give the interface. Which interface you are giving? This interface.
This side. Yeah.
And IP which one you are giving?
This now. 2020.
Yes.
Interface IP. Yeah.
It should allow from firewall, right?
Yeah.
So this is the source. This is the
This is the
destination.
destination. Right.
So this IP you are giving. Correct. Once you allow this is your path, right?
Yeah.
It will be always allowed. Correct.
Yeah.
That is the reason we are configuring here. After you configure here, will it work? Source NAT.
Yeah, it should work.
How?
Because we have configured NAT, then we have to go to the routing.
Only if you configure NAT it will work.
No.
Routing we have to do.
What?
Without routing NAT.
Routing done. I have added all the three interface. Okay. Leave about the routing. I have added routing. You have configured NAT. Will it work?
We have to give default.
What default?
Commit.
Commit
is done. Commit is done. Guys, I don't want this kind of answer.
See, in a real NAT production network, we use routing part, then NAT, then
Okay,
default.
routing part is done, NAT is done.
Yeah,
this is
then
also
default.
real production. And what it will work?
Also, we use the access control list.
Wait. Who said Karan?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me.
We also use like access control list.
ACL?
No.
Why will you use ACL? Yeah.
No, don't.
There's nothing to deal with
Next.
it.
Interzone
Yeah.
should be allowed.
Who said interzone?
Aditya.
Good.
Policy, we have to
Good.
create policy, right?
We have to
During
create
firewall.
policy.
I thought you have done policy. So
I have done
focusing
policy,
more on-
but I am asking you, what is the next step? You
Okay.
should be know the procedure is required,
No,
right?
then we have to go through the entire. We have to create zone. We have to create
That is
policy.
why I asked you, right? Zone, I told you. Routing, I told you. Routing, you allowed. NAT, you have configured. That means interface configuration is done. Zone configuration
Yeah,
is done.
policy. Then we have to create policy.
Only this one is pending, right? So what in policy, what you will mention?
LAN to WAN side.
LAN to WAN.
LAN to intranet. You can
Will
say.
allow the services.
Extranet.
Yeah, extranet.
Okay, what we'll do, we'll give the source
Source
zone
LAN.
LAN. If you have range
Any-
of IP address, you can give the range of IP address over here. Okay, if you have the user, you can give the user. You know this thing, right?
Yeah.
User details. And in destination, extranet zone, again, the destination IP address or anything if you want to, you can do this thing here. Okay. After that, which application you want to run, that will run. Okay. Service URL category, this you can use application default or any, or if you want to specify any of the service like 2232, any of the service you can enable based on the requirement.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. If somebody came and asked you to configure the source NAT, so what all the details you will ask with them?
I'll ask them first the source IP. First, the important thing is
Why
like
you will ask source IP? You are the source person, right? Why you will ask source IP?
No, which NAT person, like which side we need to allow in NAT.
You will
That is
ask
important,
your client or someone's IP address details, IP range details, right?
IP range details.
Okay, then it will be connected to your firewall only. You are the admin, so you know to which interface you have connected, and the configuration will be done from your end. So what you will do, this details is enough for you, right? And what all the service they are requesting for, what all the applications they want to run in that, you can mention that thing.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Based on that, what you will do, you will create one NAT policy. In NAT policy, guys, tell me.
Yeah, then we have to click
In NAT policy, this is the original packet, right? From where to where we want to reach.
Yeah.
Correct. So source is, this is the original kind of thing, right? From LAN zone to destination zone, we want to allow the traffic. So extranet zone, correct? So this is your source IP address, correct? Then we are giving a translated IP, like where we want to translate this. That interface details and IP address we are giving. After that, what we are doing, we are allowing that policy. Why? Because the zone will not be allowed, correct?
Yeah.
If you create NAT also, NATing is done. But who will give the permission? Until unless if you create policy in the security zone, correct? You have to allow that LAN to extranet zone, we have to allow the traffic, right? After you did that, this traffic will be generated over here. You can able to see. And you can able to see to which rule it is hitting. Application. Okay. It is using ping command. IP it is showing here. Source is this. Rule also it will show. Guys, if it is not showing rule, what we can do?
I think we should recommit. Commit is being done, right?
Okay, I'll do the commit. Still, to which rule it is hitting, it is not showing. What you will do?
Filter. Still, it is not showing.
Now you can able to see to which rule it is hitting. If this column is missing, what you will do, guys?
Refresh.
See. Okay. If I refresh, it will come.
Supposed to be.
Okay, I refresh. It is not coming. NAT policy is not coming over here. So what we'll do?
No.
Guys, this is I have completed in first year, second class.
NAT translation is not showing, right?
So NAT concept, it is not showing here. That's it. So what you will do?
Highlight policy action.
No, Rohit. You tell.
No. We can use filter, right? Custom filter.
You're saying that it is not showing. I mean, I thought
it is not showing. You have to add here, right?
I just
somebody.
I've already told that filter.
Here, lot many options we have. See, anything,
source IP.
anything, any filter builder you can create here of your own. Anything. Lot many things are there. Correct?
Yeah.
Correct, guys?
Yeah.
So see, again, if you want to filter only the ping application, just click here. It come to your search tab. Enter. Can you able to see?
Yeah.
If you want to only check the source IP, so wait. If you want to only check 10.10.10.1, just click here, enter. Done. Again, if you want to change 10.10.10.21, if you want to see, edit here, done. Okay. After that, if you want to still dig into some of the traffic log or anything, like here, some it is showing aged out. What is the reason? You want to dig into this? Should I need to show this again?
Yes.
So here you can able to see this search, global search icon.
Okay. Yes.
Just click on it. One new tab will open. Oh, I don't know why it is not opening. Yeah. So here you'll get all the details like source user, destination user, source IP, destination IP, country, port, zone, which zone to which zone, interface, IP address, NAT. Okay, rule. This is what is this rule? UUID.
This is the unique ID of
Yeah, yeah.
India.
And session and region aged out. Correct. So apart from this also, we'll get lot many details. If it is blocked or something, we'll get like in which applications or which thing vulnerability is there. Like you'll get the details over there. Okay, we'll see that. Next, which configuration we are going to do? Destination NAT, right?
Yeah.
So again, this is the topology. We have to allow this traffic. Okay, guys.
Yeah.
We have to. Oh, wait 1 second. /2, right? So I didn't show you this part. What was the IP? 2020.20.20.15. No, it's not pinging. Yeah, it's pinging.
It's pinging.
It's pinging, right?
Yeah.
So, do you have any doubt?
No.
So I have one doubt.
Yeah.
So how it is getting translated, sir? 10 to 20?
We are translating here, right? They'll not get the actual IP address over here.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
So
for tracing this traffic, you need Wireshark.
So no public IP address is needed. Okay, but
yeah, like no, not public IP address. If it is NAT and going somewhere, right? So you need Wireshark, help of the Wireshark.
Yeah.
In production also, if you're stuck somewhere, policy, everything is correct, route, everything is correct. Above that you create one test policy, still it is not working. Okay, so at that time you can just connect, you can just add the interface of this firewall, and you can start tracing using the Wireshark.
Yeah.
Like Monday, I did this thing. So we were migrating from Sonic World to Palo Alto. At that time, it was in pre-production stage. The rule what we have migrated from Sonic World to Palo Alto. Guys, which is the migration tool?
Expedition.
Yeah.
So using that tool, we converted. Everything was set, and I don't know, someone has disabled all 600 rule in that lab firewall, and it stopped working. And again, after we enable, it was not working. Okay, so due to some NAT configuration mismatch, it was not working. So we traced it via help of Wireshark. Okay, guys, each and every packet can be traced. For best practice, what all the traffic logs you got it, you just export it, put it in Excel file, put a filter and search. You'll get easily details. Or else if you have some traffic logging tool or anything in the office, like firewall logs collector, some of the tools will be there, right? Monitoring tool where you can collect the logs. Correct, guys?
Yeah.
Like Splunk or else this SolarWind, WhatsApp Cold. We'll get the logs, right? Live traffic logs in that.
Yeah, definitely.
So using that, you can trace. If you don't have any, if you don't have monitoring tool or anything, if it is completely manual, at that case you can use Wireshark.
Separate course for the Splunk, right, Rohit?
There is separate course for Splunk. That is for building the Splunk. The customization what you are doing in the Splunk.
No, there is monitoring course.
No, there is nothing much in that. We have to just put, you will get some of the query index in that only, like how we are generating in the firewall. Just clicking, you'll get the index from there, and you'll edit the IP port number based on the
what
query.
What are the important famous tools are being used in Palo Alto?
What?
What are the tools are being used to monitor Palo Alto?
For
Like
interface
Splunk.
monitor,
live
interface
monitoring and all.
Splunk is there, Fairmon is there, Confluence is there, SolarWind is there. A lot many things that monitoring is like you are sending your log to some other device, some other server.
Yeah.
And for interface management, like how we are checking in this uh, in switch or router, you'll be checking like the interface traffic, interface bandwidth and all, right?
In switch and networking part there is like SNMP and monitoring.
Yeah.
That
So
is
in
different.
firewall, there is an like one extension is there to monitor Palo Alto firewall interface. Pan Chrome one extension is there. You just have to add in your browser so that you could have checked the live traffic of that, like interface traffic. Okay.
Okay.
So destination NAT. So again, this is same IPv4. What is the original packet? See the topology.
No, the original packet will be this side 103. 40.1.
Zone. Guys,
Zone will be.
before that, you are able to ping from here to here, right?
Yeah.
Now I have a doubt. Why you are not able to ping from here to here?
Because this source IP is hidden. Where that 2020 don't know the IP of 10.10. Okay.
We have to allow.
Yeah, we have to allow as well because
allow, correct?
Yeah, dual NAT.
So next is destination NAT. So we have to allow this IP to this 10 series. Okay. So this is again the WAN interface and this is the LAN interface. Got it? So now you tell me the configuration. What is the original packet? The source zone is
103 side, WAN side. Source zone will be WAN. Source zone will be WAN side.
21.
WAN.
Yeah.
Okay. Destination zone.
LAN side. LAN zone.
But in here, what will happen in the sense we will be allowing traffic to this IP address first. Okay. So the destination will be WAN zone only. This is the difference in that, and interface will be 1/1.
Both the destination will be WAN side. Correct.
Yeah. So the IP.
Destination IP address will be this. Yeah, this.
This or this?
I think this one. 03 side.
153 40.2.
40.2. 103, right? 103. Yeah.
Done. And here we'll keep its translation type, we'll keep it as none, and destination address translation will be done here.
Yeah.
So we'll select static IP and we will be mentioning the IP address over here. I guess we have missed something. Let's see. Security policy, what you will create?
WAN to WAN side.
WAN to LAN zone, right? WAN to LAN?
Yeah.
Yeah, WAN to WAN. Let's try whether it will ping or not. Okay. I'm not sure about this. So guys, while committing also, if you select like commit all changes, like those all admins are already done the changes in your panorama or anything, that change also will be committed. Okay. And if you just click on this commit changes by your admin name, like if I create my name as Rohit, it will show here Rohit. Okay. This is the only commit changes will be done by what you have done. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, and from networking side, I got an instruction to tell you in the class. The thing is like they are conducting Prisma Cloud training for you guys, and today it is having offer. Okay. You can just connect with the networking team if you want to join Prisma Cloud.
Who is the instructor? Who is the instructor?
I don't know about the instructor. I'm not the instructor.
Rohit, what is the difference between Prisma Cloud and Prisma Access?
Prisma Cloud is like Prisma access will come in like somewhere on SD-WAN, I guess, and cloud services will be like monitored by Palo Alto. And that is like if you want lab access and all for Prisma Cloud, it is they're charging a lot.
Mhm.
No, even in Prisma Access, I have seen the video that our company's data will go into the Palo Alto cloud, and there it will be inspected, and then
No, that will be gone into the Palo Alto cloud. You do you have the idea about SaaS and what will say? You know about SaaS?
SASE.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What that
This one is
that will
actually
be,
SSE. In the video, they're showing that this one is actually SSE, Secure Service Edge.
yeah. So SSE, SWG, ZTNA, everything SD-WAN kind of thing will be done in that Prisma Access and Prisma Cloud. It is CSPM, CWP, CIEM, that kind of thing. So it is completely different. That is two different kind of thing. You are asking me like whether you will give the training about SD-WAN. So that part will be in that Prisma Access.
Yes.
Okay, I can't cover that thing.
No. I'm not asking you that because
No.
I already
Because
had a chat with Gaurav, and
okay.
actually the classes are for Prisma Access.
Okay, I thought that it is for Prisma Cloud.
I had a chat with Gaurav. He said Prisma Access.
Wait, let me.
Okay.
I thought they are giving access for cloud. Cloud is like they are
Cloud
charging
is
lot.
next allotment, yeah.
Okay. So will it work, guys?
Yeah, we'll see.
From which router we have to ping now?
Let's move 40.1 from 40.1.
Right.
Yeah.
Will it work? I don't think so. It will work. 103.50. 40.1. I don't think so. It work. It will not work. Now we have to start troubleshooting.
See, Rohit, we are supposed to ping like from 103 to 10.10, no?
Okay, from this only we'll try to ping.
Yeah.
Tell me, 10 dot? 10 dot?
10.
10 dot?
You have to see the IP itself.
21.
21.
Pinging.
Yeah, it's pinging.
That means I did the correct configuration.
Yeah.
Okay. Ambrish, and one thing,
Yeah.
you should not open your mouth at such. Okay. They have to think like,
Okay,
I'm trying
I'll
to
not
build
speak.
you guys for troubleshooting kind of thing. Okay.
Okay, I'll
And,
not speak.
what else is required? Got it, guys? Destination NAT. Should I require to show it once again?
Yes, sir.
This is the destination NAT policy I have created. Okay.
Mhm.
And original packet, it is from zone. This is the zone, right?
Yes, yes.
So
Okay.
from this to this line is in same zone, correct?
Mhm.
So both the source and destination will be mentioned it as WAN zone. Why? Because I have created as WAN zone. Okay.
Mhm.
So I mentioned this, and the interface is E1/1.
Okay.
Then after this, you want to translate this packet, right? So
Yes.
in destination address, where you want to translate? From where you are translating? You are translating from this IP, right? So
Yes.
this is the destination kind of thing, right? So you are translating from this IP. You have mentioned this IP over here. Done. And according to that, you have to create one security rule over here. Now you tell me which zone to which zone we have to configure.
We have to configure WAN zone to
Hmm.
LAN means. Okay.
Done.
WAN zone to LAN.
And rest of the thing, like if you want to restrict applications, services, what all the thing, this is not required to tell, right?
If you can brief.
No, like application, what you want to allow.
Okay. That one. Okay.
Services, what you want to allow. If they are asking
Okay.
like port 8080 based on
Okay.
that, you can mention the things.
Okay.
Correct?
Yes, correct.
So now it is pinging. Finally. I was not completed, like I was doing the configuration over there. So then what else is required? Do you want to still 7 minutes is there? Do you want to show me anything else? Let's see. We are getting any destination NAT traffic over here. Yeah. We are getting destination NAT traffic, right? And I showed you the filter. I told you like this traffic monitoring things. I'll show it later, correct? I showed this thing. Anything is pending now, guys?
Rohit, just one question in destination NAT. So when you were doing the 103 networks NAT, so when it was able to ping inside the zone, was it using the interface IP of the firewall?
Not interface IP. We are pinging this IP, right?
Yeah, so 21 was getting pinged inside. It looked like it was getting pinged by 20.
Yeah. So you are allowing this services, right? Like this
Because
is AWS services or anything. You are allowing this. If you want to restrict to only one IP, you can give /32.
Okay, got it. Because in configuration, I think nowhere you mentioned the interface. You only did the WAN to WAN mapping, right?
Configuration. No, I did it.
Yeah,
We
maybe
have mentioned here, right?
Yeah, so this is WAN to WAN.
Huh.
Like here, nowhere you have mentioned that use the interface IP of 20.1, 10.10.20.1.
But our goal is to reach here, right?
Yes.
This user should be able to access this. Let's assume this is AWS services. So this user should be able to access these services, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it.
Because of that reason.
Sure.
If he want to access this services, if AWS is placed here, reverse, change this
If
IP.
we wanted to reach the 20.20.20.15, then we would have to specify that in security policy.
Yeah, like you have to create in zone. Like now how we have created LAN. Correct.
Yes.
So that you will convert into this one. Interface will change. Okay.
फोटो भेजी थी ना कौन सी दुकान वाले का नंबर
/1/. It's done. So here you will change the zone.
Okay, got it.
Extranet. So it will ping to extranet.
सिस्को नहीं कर रहा भाई काम नेटवर्क तो बना रहा है ना ये वही बना रहा है ना ये
Ashraf, you want me to show anything else apart from this? This is the dashboard, like account summary or anything, and this is our dashboard. So who all admins has logged in, where it has been logged in, console, CLI, everything will get it here. Like what admins is doing over in the dashboard. This is our management IP, everything is there. Still, we can add something here. Some details is required to add here. So we can add that. I'll show you how to add that, okay? And recent configuration changes, what I have done, it will reflect here. And monitoring configuration. And able to see what configuration I did. Getting logs, right? Guys. Hello.
Yeah.
Done. So let me do one thing. Yeah. Okay. Done. Can we close?
Yeah.
Rohit?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm really sorry I couldn't.
What?
I could not attend today's class due to some official calls. So would that be? Can you please share the today's class link, recording link, so that I can access and see?
No, it will be in your portal, right? Recorded session.
I check. I think I could not access from there. I have to add myself into there. I have to request. So if somebody download and share, that would be a big help.
No, like we don't have access to that thing, and it will be auto recorded. Once I log in, like it will be auto recorded and it will be saved with networking guys only. It will not be saved from my side.
So it couldn't be downloaded as well.
No download option.
But I think people can do. If
no, nothing in my hand. See, once I log in,
I can understand. I can understand. I am requesting others who have other way to download the video.
No, 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 no. I'm telling you, there is no way to download this video,
There is
and
no
you
other
have
way
to
to
enter into a
record the
portal.
screen for others.
Hmm.
They
No
don't have
problem.
permission to record the screen
I'll
also.
when I'll get access, I'll download and share you guys.
Okay.
Yeah, it was compose.
Yeah, once you get the access, please try to download and show us like how to download. Why? Because as per my knowledge, we are not able to download and we don't have permission to download. Any option to download in the portal.
All right, no problem.
Yeah. So guys, I'll tell you another one thing. Here it is.
Right? Can we access this lab?
No, you can't access this lab. So this is one company fuel Palo Alto network user group. So we have to sign into this so that you will get a notification like for some of the day or something, some event will be there. You can attend the event so that like some workshop will be there, a latest update, everything is there. And for education purpose, they are giving some of the free lab, Palo Alto lab for 1 or 2 hour.
Hmm.
Okay, you can just try
So
this.
can you share the link?
Yeah, I told you like you can try this. I said I'll give it to only one person. Okay, I'm sharing it with all.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so try to learn the things. And why I have shared this, it's somewhere, sometime it will get it for free.
Yeah.
Okay, so that reason I shared it with you, and you'll get like lot of things like they'll be discussing. It's like forum. They'll be discussing the things that will be helpful for you. Okay,
This
guys.
is like field user portal, na?
Hmm.
This is linked with the Palo Alto.
Yeah, they are official company for the Palo Alto partner.
Okay.
They are not giving training. It's like event management, like some of the research, everything is done from there.
Okay. They are also giving like sometimes they give like credit, some kind of to use in certification part.
No.
Okay.
Certification is not that much costly. Like certification is somewhere around $160 or anything like 13,000-14,000.
Yeah, approx 15-16K. Yeah.
Great. Can you show me the how to sync time in a Palo Alto?
Sync time?
Yes, with GPS or NTP server.
Yeah, I have. Again, I have to log in. Wait. You have to go to device setup and service. There you can set the time. I'll show you. Get it told first. Sagar, have you tried that?
I have tried, but there is no see the option for the add the NTP IP server.
What?
Add the NTP IP server. Enter the IP.
Where did you try?
I didn't find it. In GUI.
Where you went? Like device setup? Where?
Device in the system, sir.
Have you logged in to the firewall, or else you can share me the screen?
I'm going to open the right now.
What?
I can't access the right now the lab. I don't know that.
Okay.
I'm trying, but no.
Mm.
And it will be in IST zone automatically.
Ah.
So, and all the logs will be in a same time.
Hmm.
Right?
Yeah. What you have configured from the NTP, that will only reflect.
No, in
IST,
the management,
CST, anything.
if I in services, there's a setting is a IST, and in management, at the time zone showing the US time.
So first you have to set up over there NTP. No.
No.
You can keep it none. Just
Yes,
keep
I will.
time zone as none. Okay. And configure the NTP.
Okay.
Okay, that I guess that will be reflected.
Okay.
We will,
Efficient.
no, not. What is the time now? Okay, done.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tomorrow what we can discuss? Hmm?